Blue hydrangeas are known for their stunning and vibrant blooms. If you are looking to grow these captivating flowers in your own garden, this comprehensive guide will provide you with all the information you need to successfully plant, grow, and care for blue hydrangeas. Choosing the right blue hydrangea variety. Before you start planting blue hydrangeas, it's essential to select the right variety. Hydrangeas come in different types, and while many have the potential to produce blue flowers, the specific variety that reliably yields blue blooms is the hydrangea macrophylla or big leaf hydrangea. Look for cultivars such as Endless Summer, Nico Blue, or Blue Enchantress for dependable blue flowers. Soil pH and aluminum. The blue color of hydrangea blooms is influenced by the pH level of the soil. Blue hydrangeas thrive in acidic soil with a pH range between 5.2 and 5.5. To lower the soil's pH and encourage blue flower production. Selecting the planting location. Blue hydrangeas prefer a planting location with morning sun and afternoon shade. They thrive in well-drained soil that retains moisture without becoming waterlogged. Ensure the soil is rich in organic matter and has good drainage. Consider planting near a structure or taller plants that provide partial shade during the hottest parts of the day. Planting blue hydrangeas. Follow these steps to ensure the successful planting of blue hydrangeas. A. Dig a hole that is as deep and wide as the root ball of the hydrangea. B. Amend the soil with organic matter to improve drainage and provide nutrients. C. Place the hydrangea in the hole, ensuring the top of the root ball is level with the ground. D. Backfill the hole with soil and gently firm it around the plant. E. Water thoroughly after planting to settle the soil. Watering and mulching. Proper watering is crucial for the health of blue hydrangeas. Water deeply at the base of the plant, especially during dry periods. Applying a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant helps retain moisture, suppresses weeds, and maintains a cool root environment. Fertilizing blue hydrangeas. Fertilizing blue hydrangeas promotes healthy growth and abundant blooms. Use a balanced slow-release fertilizer in early spring and again in early summer. Pruning blue hydrangeas. Pruning blue hydrangeas should be done selectively to maintain their shape and encourage healthy growth. The timing and method of pruning depend on the specific blue hydrangea variety. Protecting blue hydrangeas in winter. Blue hydrangeas may require protection in colder climates. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plant in late fall to insulate the roots and protect them from freezing temperatures. Consider covering the plant with burlap or a frost blanket if the winters are particularly harsh.